Welcome to Mind Machines, your destination for the latest in agricultural equipment. From autonomous harvesters to precision planters, experience the forefront of innovation shaping our fields. Explore the remarkable technology revolutionizing agriculture where efficiency meets ingenuity. Are you prepared for the revolution? Golden berries are bright, orange-colored fruits closely related to Mexican tomatillos. Like tomatillos, they are encased in a papery husk that must be removed before eating. Smaller than cherry tomatoes, these fruit have a sweet, tropical flavor reminiscent of pineapple and mango. Watermelons are sensitive to ethylene, so they should be stored separately from ethylene-producing crops like tomatoes, bananas, apples, or cantaloupe to extend their shelf life. From sunburn relief to skincare, aloe vera products are gaining popularity. The industry is now valued at $625 million. However, some aloe vera products available on the market have been discovered to contain no traces of aloe whatsoever. Very fresh watermelon and enjoy live harvesting from farmers. To separate the hot peppers based on size and ripeness, cleaning the hot peppers is also a crucial step. It ensures the product's safety and cleanliness by eliminating dirt and other impurities. The planting is quite simple. You just plant the whole chayote in the ground, then make a hanging wire for them to cling to grow. Allow the garlic and soil to dry for approximately 2 weeks until ready for harvest. Once the soil surrounding the garlic has dried, a nearly identical tractor harvesting machine will handle the job. Here, the pineapples will be fed into a cutter to remove their top and bottom ends. The purpose of this is to facilitate the core removal process by eliminating the inedible parts. After the ends are removed, the pineapples will be passed through a peeling and coring machine. Harvesting time at potato farm. In California, in 2021, the state produced 5.9 million tons of grapes, representing 95% of the country's grape production, valued at about $5.2 billion. Initially, papaya seeds are prepared in the nursery through germination. Papaya seeds require more time to germinate, which is why they are given extra attention. Papaya, being a tropical fruit, holds significant commercial importance. Golden berries are also known as Inca berry, ground cherry Peru, poha berry, husk cherry, and Cape gooseberry. This production line is typically engineered for automatic and efficient operation, reducing the need for human intervention while boosting productivity. Additionally, it offers flexibility to handle various fruit types and packaging requirements. Why are cranberries harvested in water? the squash will be carefully processed and packaged before being brought to the market for consumers. In the initial pineapple harvesting process, to ensure the quality of the fruits meet the requirements, they need to be harvested from vast fields. Pineapples are quite unique fruits, making harvesting quite challenging to apply modern supporting machinery. Therefore, manual methods using human labor are predominantly used. In the manufacturing process, the types of black pepper are essential. At this stage, the pepper is divided into various categories based on your efforts, quality, size, and color of the machines. In the video, for additional processing through a washing procedure, the bacterial presence on the product surface is minimized by washing it with clean water enhanced with necessary hygiene additives. Harvesting ginger. After the harvest is gathered, the garlic will be placed on a conveyor belt to remove the outer shell during the cleaning process. Some consumers prefer garlic products that have been peeled for packaging. In traditional methods, dates are harvested by climbing and picking or by cutting at the base of the date bunch. In modern agriculture, special tools assist in the harvesting process to make it easier to pick and select each ripe date. The harvest of new potatoes has begun in Seville. The sector anticipates better prospects than in previous years due to increasing demand. After harvesting papayas, the packing process is carried out by hand in the factory. Although machines are also used, here you can see humans doing the packaging. Cutting garlic harvesting from farmers with rural farming life. This method retains their deliciousness without acquiring any undesirable flavors due to the sunburn. Once the leaves turn brown and wilt, it's the right time to harvest. Farm equipment is operated by a team of highly skilled farm workers. Pears symbolize sophistication and sweetness in the fruit world. With their velvety appearance and vibrant colors, pears serve as inspiration for every meal and represent freshness and appeal with their sweet flavor. Harvesting grapes is labor-intensive, costly, and relatively slow. However, for premium varieties, gentle hand harvesting is more suitable. Bunches are picked intact and undamaged by hand. Thousands of workers gather at these farms to harvest peaches, earning around $16 per hour. In 2021, California was the largest peach-producing state in the United States, yielding approximately 468,000 tons, which accounted for 75% of the country's production. Please comment 1 below the video if you know what type of fruit this is. Pumpkins are native to North America and are typically cultivated from late spring to early summer. The crop is primarily grown in the northern region of the United States. Pumpkins sprout and spread across fields, with the vines reaching up to 30 feet in length. Next up, We've got some fascinating facts about peas. Peas are among the oldest cultivated vegetables, with evidence of pea cultivation dating back to over 7,000 years in regions like the Middle East and Europe. In the Netherlands, harvesting is done manually with scores of farmers cutting thousands of wagons and transferring them into containers using a conveyor system. The walnut harvesting machine is purpose-built for efficiently harvesting walnuts from mature walnut trees. It integrates multiple functions to simplify the labor-intensive process of collecting walnuts during the harvest season. The Van Hoek cabbage harvester boasts a remarkable productivity rate of 0.8 hectares per day, featuring a double box system. Each box is positioned on individually tilting platforms for streamlined harvesting efficiency. The clamping belt operates in sync with the driving speed, ensuring a seamlessly smooth harvesting process. The Ploger MKC2TR boasts easy adjustability, offering flexibility to adapt to variations in spinach growth. This feature ensures the machine's effectiveness in harvesting spinach at various stages of maturity. The efficient and mechanized approach of harvesting apples in orchards involves shaking the apple trees with a catch frame. Specialized equipment is employed to shake the apple trees, prompting ripe apples to gracefully descend onto a strategically positioned catch frame below. The Ploger AR-4BX, featuring a potent engine, effortlessly navigates through potato fields, harvesting the crop with impeccable precision. Its self-propelled design eliminates the necessity for external tractors, enhancing both mobility and operational flexibility. Thanks to this dedicated scratching table, cows can indulge in self-scratching without requiring any assistance. A sprawling irrigation ramp stretching over 380 feet at Lussier Farms. Onions are receiving water from a reservoir, with hundreds of gallons being distributed in the fields to foster optimal growth during periods of intense heat. Stealing the spotlight is the Grimm GZ1700 DLS harvester, armed with a robust design and cutting-edge features, poised to take on the task at hand. With its advanced digging and lifting mechanisms, this harvester expertly extracts carrots from the fertile soil. Harvesting leeks with the ASA Lift automatic box filler is a streamlined and efficient process. The machine adeptly extracts leeks from the field, and the automatic box filler ensures the harvested leeks are promptly and neatly loaded into boxes. This compact tool proves invaluable in preparing food for various poultry types. In Hungarian orchards, a harmonious combination of traditional handpicking and modern machinery ensures the efficient harvest of vibrant red apples. Workers adeptly pluck the ripe fruit by hand, complemented by specialized machines that assist in collecting and transporting the bountiful harvest. A compost turner is a specialized equipment designed to periodically mix compost, expediting the composting process and improving the quality of the compost. Celeriac harvesting is efficiently carried out using a John Deere 6150R, equipped with a Grimm FM-300 front mulcher and a 6-row Grimm Rooster 604 sugar beet harvester. In this specific instance, the setup proves versatile for harvesting celeriac as well. Based on my knowledge, there is an ongoing harvest of a particular type of grass in Hungary. If you possess additional information on this subject, feel free to comment below and share your insights with me and others. California, renowned for its bountiful strawberry harvests, claims a lion's share of over 75% in the total U.S. strawberry production. This state yields an impressive 1 billion pounds of strawberries annually. At the Pepperstroughton arable farm, the onion loading process is in full swing with efficiency in mind. A New Holland TM120, outfitted with an AMAC loader, adeptly manages the task. Witness the transportation of massive quantities of sugarcane to the factory for processing into orange juice. As the apples fall, they are then transferred to the container at the back. With each cycle like this, the machine can harvest tons of apples. However, the downside is that machine harvesting exerts a strong impact, making apples more prone to damage. The vibrant world of fruits. Once harvested, millions of peaches are sent to factories to be packaged or processed into other dishes, such as canned peaches. After harvesting, climbing down to the ground is also easier. The ripe jaggery fruits are then collected for transportation and consumption. Behind the thick skin, the flesh inside is almost jelly-like. This machine not only boosts productivity, but also guarantees the quality and consistency of tomatoes. Its rapid sorting speed and high precision ensure that each tomato is handled with the same care and accuracy. California is the leading region worldwide, supplying up to 20% of fresh broccoli on the market and producing 92% of the broccoli grown in the United States. Most commercial broccoli varieties can be harvested within 60 to 90 days. The United States has approximately 943,000 acres of land dedicated to potato cultivation. These bunches of bananas are taken to the processing factory area, where they are then placed into a large tank of water. This process not only washes away impurities, but also helps remove all the natural latex in the banana peel. Bid farewell to the apple orchard, and let's venture into the watermelon fields. According to TKai's 2023 data, Turkey boasted a noteworthy watermelon production of approximately 3.46 million tons last year. Among them, Oron stands as the top contributor in Turkey, yielding an impressive 61,000 tons. Driven by automation, this machine optimizes the kale harvesting process. It autonomously traverses the fields, adeptly identifying mature kale plants ready for harvest. The pumpkin fruits are swiftly lifted and set into rotation, propelling them with a momentum for a rapid lateral transport. In the lead up to the harvest, farmers diligently inspect apple orchards. Additionally, apple growers routinely assess the sugar content in apples to pinpoint the optimal time for harvesting. Harvest strawberries in the early morning when the temperatures are cooler to ensure they retain their freshness. The Amada's AR2200 is equipped with a gentle yet efficient harvesting mechanism, ensuring peanuts are delicately extracted from the soil with minimal damage. This not only preserves the quality of the harvested peanuts, but also minimizes waste in the process. Art Reiter, a kale farmer from Nieuwe Niedorp, together with his team, harvests a kale field in Kallensoog. The tree shaking machine is transforming the plum harvesting process by gently shaking the tree, allowing ripe plums to gracefully fall onto a collection surface. In the state of California alone, where annual plum production reaches a significant 361,000 tons, this innovative method is making waves. The onion lifter stands out as a specialized agricultural machine crafted for the gentle and efficient harvesting of onions. Outfitted with adjustable lifting blades, it delicately loosens the soil around the onions, preventing any potential damage. The Delacroix Flora trimmer is specifically crafted to streamline in-field processing of broccoli, eliminating the necessity for post-harvest transportation to processing facilities. The robotic arm navigates through the orchard with unparalleled precision, using sensors and advanced computer vision technology to identify ripe fruits. They traverse expansive fields, fueled by the optimism that not a single potato remains beneath the soil. This truck proves indispensable for farmers, facilitating the efficient transport of harvested potatoes to storage facilities or processing centers. After harvesting, the apples seamlessly travel along a conveyor system designed to minimize handling. This system ensures a smooth transition from the orchard to the processing line, significantly reducing the risk of damage to the fruit. The peaches undergo an extensive cleaning process to eliminate dirt and debris. Advanced sorting systems are employed to categorize the peaches based on size, color, and quality. The single-row cabbage harvester from South Korea operates efficiently along a single row of cabbage plants, utilizing advanced technology to streamline the harvesting process. Often equipped with specialized harvesting heads or mechanisms, these machines delicately detach coffee cherries from the branches. This design minimizes harm to the trees and ensures the cherries are collected intact. Given diverse climate conditions, grape varieties, and wine styles, grape harvesting can occur in any month of the calendar year somewhere in the world. This sorting machine aids in removing substandard citrus fruits, ensuring that only the fresh and high-quality fruits are chosen for the production process. Harvesting Chinese jujube. A team of 15 people harvest kiwis together, and, when working efficiently, they can fill a container in about 3 to 4 minutes. Every year, the United States dedicates approximately 25,000 acres of land to grow asparagus, valued at about $98 million. After harvesting, asparagus is placed in plastic trays and transported to the packing facility. In underdeveloped countries, lacking modern machinery, harvesting is done manually. Farmers pull cassava out of the soil, then leave it in the field to await transportation. After pulling up a large pile of tree roots, workers load them onto trucks. The Avanti C360 is a true workhorse, mainly used for directly harvesting peanuts, corn, and beans. This versatile giant maximizes efficiency with its dual functionality. After packaging, kiwis are placed in cold storage until they are loaded onto trucks and shipped to retailers. This peatland leveler and profiler, equipped with a unique auger, excels at clearing new bogs and preserving existing ones. It can also be used to cultivate agricultural fields on peat-based terrain. While the strawberry harvesting process may not be speedy, the robot will precisely select the perfectly ripe strawberries. The pumpkins grow so big and fast that it seems like someone is inflating them. This heavy-duty machine efficiently harvests sugar beets with its specialized process. Within the mobile home amidst the field lies an intriguing system for harvesting onions. Australian farmers achieve remarkable mango yields using this incredible method. I wonder if Optimus Prime has morphed into this apple picker. Observe the journey as tons of sugarcane are transported to the factory for processing into orange juice. This peanut harvester dances across the field, scooping up dried peanuts with the grace of a swift performer, a true testament to modern agricultural engineering. The Univerco Rider 2 impressively handles a capacity of up to 70 tons per hour. Its user-friendly design ensures easy operation with simple and intuitive control panel. Meet the Oxbow CP400 sweet corn harvesting head. Featuring a precision cutting mechanism, this harvesting head ensures clean and accurate cuts, preserving the quality of the sweet corn throughout the harvesting process. The Agrobot harvester operates autonomously, diminishing the need for manual labor in strawberry harvesting. It navigates through the fields with precision, identifying and picking ripe strawberries. This giant seed planter boasts mind-boggling capabilities, covering vast fields in record time. It's not just planting seeds, it's orchestrating a symphony of agricultural efficiency. This melon is so fresh and delicious. Modern-day farmers have successfully integrated various unique machines into the harvesting process, significantly reducing effort and time. The grass harvesting duo acts as a meticulous gardening team, ensuring your yard stays pristine. I'm sure that this is the inspiration for the Tetris game. Plant Tape's foray into automated transplanting is not a modest experiment. It's an ambitious initiative spanning over 8,000 acres of lettuce fields. The machine operates seamlessly on this grand scale, maximizing efficiency and throughput. This orange harvester is exceptional. With impressive efficiency, it harvests oranges swiftly, a leap in agricultural technology, outperforming past standards. The olive harvesting process, enhanced by state-of-the-art machinery, pays homage to the age-old art of cultivating this precious fruit. It's a celebration of innovation and heritage. These corn harvest giants symbolize unparalleled efficiency with extraordinary capacity, promising unprecedented scale yields that exceed expectations. In the vast field, a modern potato harvester is operating at an incredible speed. With its powerful engine and precise design, this machine can harvest hundreds of hectares of potato fields in a remarkably short time. And with that, we wrap up our exploration of the agricultural machinery world. If you were as amazed by it as we were, drop a comment, hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe for more farm tech wonders. Thanks for being part of our community.